Case and Dracos, I keep plenty hits. Shake them down like pepper, we need everything. Don't know the dresser, these Americans. Need everything in your pocket, these tracks, they won't fit in no wallet. Spider, we got him, we shot that little boy, and now he ain't no problem. I'm at a space when I'm facing my mood like I'm mixing gelato. Stealing my money, I'm giant, these niggas short like a toddler. I get fly like a pie, but I keep my chop helicopter. John Doe tuck to a pile, in front of my wrist over water. Stacking this paper, I'm chasing and checking them hundreds and thousands. This money stay piling, I'm here when I'm after. Rah-rah, suicidal, new Corvette, I got the dogs out. I got the dogs out. New bitch so entitled, I get right, she want the dogs out. He can't get no shit, them demons right there where you lay. Got shooters, they gon' press you, boy, hell nah, this ain't 2K. Wake up and go collect the paper and take it to the bank. Smoke back, he out the back, he throw some drink. My just blew your shit, this counterfeit. Got plenty basketball through with the clip in. I extended it, the drink, he got a cooling kit. Get flat just like a stewardess, but Scotty smoke exclusive shit, designer, this the newest shit. UFC, I'm kicked up in the latest shit. Ain't no money, then you get the down toe. I'm fucking her good, and they got her mad gold. And out of the six, I don't keep up with time zone. I'm smoking the back, yeah, I'm in a no-fly zone.